If ChatGPT is responding really slowly, here's what to try. First, log out and back in. Click your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and select Log Out. Then just log back in like normal. Sometimes the session just needs a quick refresh. Next, clear your browser cache. Click the three dots in the top right of Chrome, or whatever browser you're using, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Look for Clear Browsing Data, and choose All Time for the time range. Make sure cookies and other site data is checked, then click Clear Data. This helps remove any old files that could be slowing things down. After that, it's a good idea to check if the issue is on OpenAI's end. Just search ChatGPT server status and click the link to status.openai.com. If there's an outage or slow performance reported, then you'll just have to wait it out. You can also try using ChatGPT in incognito mode. That disables all your extensions and loads a clean browser session. Open a private window, go to chat.openai.com, log in, and see if it runs faster.